it going, everyone, and welcome to this quick boot review of the Puma Kings. These are the remakes of the old school iconic Puma King football boots, worn by the likes of, Pele, Maradona, Johan Cruyff. I think his Beckenbauer may have worn them as well. So it's really nice and really iconic and just a major throwback. And also with the design here, you can see the World Cup winners that have worn these iconic football boots. Such a cool little design that they have. And here you can see with Johan Cruyff wearing them here with the Cruyff turn, iconic Cruyff turn, wearing the Puma Kings. And here, if you can see, I think that is Pele, the 1970 winners of the World Cup. So that's a really nice touch. And you can see here, look, they've sewn on the material really nice. And when wearing the football boots, it's just so comfortable, honestly. Feels like a Puma King, but also has that kind of like really barefoot like feel for the ball, very light. And you can wear these for sure on FG and AG pitches when you look at the Chronicle stud patterns with the plastics. Not very aggressive, but very good traction and very comfortable when wearing on both pitches. Material is also very soft and very comfortable, and I'm sure after like a few sessions of training you'll break into the football boot and it will just be a very comfortable football boot. Just such a nice touch from Puma that they've made this kind of remake, and you can see through the years that they've made with the Puma Kings. So from 66 to 90, and then there was a little break, and now from 2023 they've remade it again. Just a really nice design. And definitely for sure, if you have the money, go and buy these. Even if you don't wear them, just keep them safe, because these are just so beautiful and so nice. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have these or what you think of these. And yeah, I'll see you next time for another unboxing, boot review, or limited edition, special edition boots unboxing, all types. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and leave this video a like, and I'll see you next time. All the very best and take care.